You can't have dad's food.
I want his food.
Hello everyone, and thanks for coming back to the channel. We will be reviewing the Elegant Night Dinner from the new MDR menu on board the Carnival Radiance, so let's jump right on in.
Oh, it's thicker than I thought it would be.
Now you speak slightly up.
Okay. It tastes like turkey dressing, like
Really?
like mom makes. It's
Oh.
exactly like
It tastes like my cornbread
She's
dressing?
gonna hate it.
Oh, okay. Okay, Dad. Go ahead and try your crawfish fettuccine. Hey, you guys use the camera. Hold on, Dad. Let me switch the camera.
The creamy, the crawfish, a little rubbery, but it's all right. It's okay. And you do have a good flavor to it. It's good. Really is.
I'm gonna try mine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna try mine.
Just some with French family.
It tastes like melted strawberry ice cream.
Sorry.
It's so good. Sorry. It's so good. Here you go. You can go around the seeds. But it does.
Well,
It tastes like melted strawberry ice cream. It's so good.
Right. Give them shots. Then I know. You're right. Here you go.
It's like melted ice cream, doesn't
It
it?
tastes like melted strawberry ice cream.
It does. Okay, let me try.
Y'all just switching where they go. That's
Yeah.
It's all good. So let me try his a little bit.
Take it at you.
I found out I was not a big fan of crawfish yesterday.
Right.
Oh my god.
You can't have dad's food.
I want his food.
It tastes like melted ice cream.
But his reminds me of like a lobster mac and cheese. Like
Yeah.
Yeah.
really good. It's really creamy. It's cheesy. It's very flavorful. I love it.
It is good. It's kind of like texture of crab. Not pepperoni. I'm so sorry. The big crawfish tastes kind of no flavor, but it kind of does at the same time.
Okay.
This looks like thin sliced parmesan. It tastes like thin sliced parmesan.
Mm-hmm.
It's really good.
That's coming from a person who doesn't like beef. That's interesting.
No,
Wow.
not my thing. It's really good. It does have a lot of flavor. I like to think of whatever it is at the bottom. It's nice. I'm about to say that part of it, but
He'll try it in a second.
okay, but yeah, it's really good. It's 10 out of 10 for me. Again, I like cinnamon every single way.
We know. All right. So what do you have?
Okay, so I have to do my shrimp thing.
So I guess a crab cake, because a shrimp, how bad can it be, right?
It's actually soft and it's good. Crunchy at the top. You're not getting a piece.
Hey, I gave you a piece of my tuna.
That crab cake, that's a good crab cake.
Okay.
That's a really good crab cake.
Okay. Cool. Dad,
What?
how do the salmon?
I'm looking over right now. Surprisingly, it's not dry. It got good flavor to it.
Uh-huh.
They did season that good.
Oh, okay, good.
They seasoned that was really good. They cooked it really good.
Cool.
I guess I'll get at probably about a
And what about your chicken cordon bleu?
I don't know. I ain't tasting it. Good chicken. The chicken is good. It's got nice seasoning. It's not dry. It's moist. You know, it tastes real good. Tastes like it. It looks like some good chicken.
So I have a tuna salad, and I'm gonna get a little bit of everything here, which looks super awesome because you have eggs and potatoes and dressing. So
Your question. Go ahead.
okay. Well, at first, I was gonna say that it was lacking flavor until I bit into that tuna, and it is wonderful.
Everything okay?
Yeah, everything's great. Everything's great. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
So much.
That's good. Let me try this from that crab cake. Cut off a piece of that crab cake.
Yeah.
I am. That's okay. I'm gonna get it. I don't like it.
She didn't like the crab cake. You know, explain?
The seasoning is fine. The texture is off. I don't like it.
Oh, I like the texture. You like weird textures. All right.
Okay, so I'm ready to try.
It's overall not good, not bad. That's where I am at with this right now. 5 out of 10? Yeah, 5.
And here we have our elegant night desserts. Now, since we were on a cruise on Halloween, they had 2 special desserts. The first was the Halloween pumpkin cheesecake, which was extremely tasty, very interesting looking, but it was really good. And the second was a spooky chocolate mousse, which Vaughn said was very good. I liked the way it was very whimsical and kind of shaped like a grave, in keeping with the Halloween theme. So there you have it, our elegant night dinner, totally different from our first night dinner. If you'd like to know how we went from worse to better, take a look at this video and it'll let you know. Also, be on the lookout for our latest videos that will be comparing Royal Caribbean, yes, I said Royal Caribbean, and Carnival Cruise Lines. Thanks a lot for watching. Happy cruising.